Claude AI can integrate with Figma through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected Figma files and design content, enabling AI-assisted design review, component documentation, workflow automation, and design system management. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. Steps to connect Claude AI to Figma. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools such as Figma, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Figma in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Figma. Then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Figma account. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, and continue. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Figma files or projects you want to connect. Choose the appropriate files or workspaces and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and file selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Figma. This integration is best suited for designers, product managers, or developers who want to leverage AI assistance for design documentation, component descriptions, or workflow automation within Figma. Conclusion. Connecting Claude AI to Figma involves opening the Claude desktop app, navigating to Customizing connectors, searching for Figma, authorizing the connection through your Figma account, and selecting the desired files or projects. Once linked, Claude can interact with selected Figma content based on the connector's permissions and capabilities.